We'll provide some examples of user stories for a web app user. These stories can be used as a foundation for development, testing, or product planning. They follow the standard user story format. As a web app user, I want something so that I get value. User registration and authentication. As a web app user, I want to create an account so that I can access the web app. As a web app user, I want to log into my account so that I can access my personalized data. User profile management. As a web app user, I want to update my profile details so that my information stays current. As a web app user, I want to change my password so that I can keep my account secure. Dashboard and navigation. As a web app user, I want a clean dashboard so that I can see all relevant information in one place. As a web app user, I want to easily navigate between sections so that I can find features quickly. Search and filtering. As a web app user, I want to search for specific content so that I can find what I need quickly. As a web app user, I want to sort items by date or popularity so that I can prioritize my view. Content interaction. As a web app user, I want to like or favorite items so that I can save them for later. As a web app user, I want to comment on posts so that I can engage with the community. As a web app user, I want to edit or delete my comments so that I can fix mistakes or change my mind. Content creation. As a web app user, I want to create new posts so that I can contribute to the platform. As a web app user, I also want to edit my existing posts so that I can correct or improve them. As a web app user, I want to delete my posts so that I can remove outdated or irrelevant content. Notifications. As a web app user, I want to manage my notification preferences so that I'm only alerted about what matters to me. Mobile responsiveness. As a web app user, I want the app to work well on my phone so that I can use it on the go. Settings and preferences. As a web app user, I want to choose a light or dark theme so that the UI suits my eyes. As a web app user, I want to change the language of the app so that I can use it in my preferred language. Security and permissions. As a web app user, I want to receive alerts about suspicious login attempts so that I can protect my account. As a web app user, I want to enable two-factor authentication so that I can add an extra layer of security. Billing and subscriptions. As a web app user, I want to upgrade or downgrade my subscription so that I can choose what fits my needs. As a web app user, I want to view my payment history so that I can track my expenses. As a web app user, I want to cancel my subscription so that I'm not charged in the future. Help and support. As a web app user, I want to contact support through chat or email so that I can get help when needed. These user stories provide a well-rounded view of what a typical web app user might expect.